Apo, donatory. And I think this is something to do with the law and order, no? At sinasabi ko naman sa mga polis, militar, trabaho kayo at ako ang managot. So ito na nga. For all of the whatever happened in the past, ako na yung nag-front sa ating law enforcement at military. Sinabi ko, I will protect you and ako ang managot sila. This will be a long legal proceedings that I say to you. We will continue to serve the country